Everest Sustainability Journey. Everest is a vertically integrated textile manufacturer, which includes yarn, weaving, dyeing, and special finishing. We produce eco-textile to protect humans and the environment. Everest is a leading innovator in textile industry. We started the National Class Everest Technology Research Center in 2003, and then we transformed physical textile into chemical textile.
We invest 4% of our revenue in innovation. This is very rare in the industry. Everest transforms every 5 years to use our core competence to integrate cohesion and function, which we call the fusing.
In 2004, Everest invested membrane machines, laminating machines, coating machines, and heat transfer printers, etc., which upgrades Everest to a new material territory. In 2013, we expanded into knitting field, became a professional comprehensive supplier, both in woven and knitting fabrics.
Everest starts the Everest Sustainability Model. From April 2007, we called ESM. At that time, we defined our 7R principles, and then we never stopped learning from the nature.
Everest utilizes green building principles to rebuild the plants and to make working spaces more comfortable. All of our factories in 3 countries have stopped using air conditioning, which saves more than $2 million annually. It's not easy, but Everest did it. Also, we invested in facilities to enhance energy efficiency and electricity saving, such as energy-saving dryer, air compressor, heat recycle, heat insulating facilities, and LED lightings, etc.
So, I always said, our building is breathable.
Everest utilizes technical methods, practices waste equals food, to deal with water, energy, process, and waste. It strengthens the ecosystem and significantly reduces both water footprint and carbon footprint. All collections of Everest's products and process at its plants in 3 countries are certified by the Swiss Blue Sign Standard. Less is more. Everest uses original ideas to redesign process and products to reach time's efficiency of energy and resource. Everest obtained awards for Outstanding Sustainable Energy Use, Green Classics Awards of Eco-Innovative Products.
External stakeholders can come and learn from us. I believe it is goodwill economy. Before we launched ESM, we didn't care about environment. After I read Ray Anderson's book, Middle Coast Collection, I realized that business could be ecologically. So I followed his journey and then initiated ESM.
Using the method of ecological industrial park, Everest provides space with biodiversity and builds ecology circulation.
There's a lot of waste in our factory, such as sludge, cinder, and the trash. We combine them together to make coal bricks, so there's no waste in our factory.
Since 2008, no waste is from the Everest Taiwan factory. Zero emission, is the target of every factory by year 2020. Everest is proud of the farm that adopts the most natural ecosystems, Shumei Natural Agricultural System. The natural farming emphasizes the interactive relationships between human beings and nature. Recently, this idea even expands from herbal planting to helping people. We expect more people can join the idea of sustainable agriculture. Together, we can turn polluted land into healthy farms.
在现在这种环境问题很严重的时候，有一群人他愿意为了保护环境，而去做一些环境上的改善，种出安全的蔬菜，对环境友善的蔬菜，觉得这是很了不起的事情。
In 2012, Everest won awards for a green factory and sightseeing factory. Both false twisting and weaving factories gained diamond-level green building certificate. In 2013, again we obtained the first Taiwan Ecological Community Certificate.
For economic purpose, enterprise often ignore their environmental responsibility. Indeed, they have most power to protect the environment, but it's really not easy. Many brand and retailer customers want us to do sustainability, but they just talk. More than 80% of them are greenwashing. They make me so angry. We should do right thing for the world, hand in hand. If we start with good intention, we will find the happiness is so simple. When we founded Everest Textile Company, we positioned it as an entrepreneur. We have the mission to transform Taiwan textile industry.
The power of sustainability comes from every employee. Everest is the first textile company in Taiwan to gain SA 8000 certificate. It proves we care about employees very much. In 2013, we received the highest recognition, the National Badge of Accredited Healthy Workplace. Everest achieves sustainability by action. The founding of the ESM Volunteers Team is one of the key engines pushing us in charity. We cooperate with domestic and international NPOs and governmental sectors. Everest's Caring Society is from local to global.
We are not only fulfilling corporate social responsibility, but further leading the social responsibility to make the society better.
In order to influence more stakeholders, Everest opens its factory for sharing Everest's performance of innovation and sustainability. Until now, we have hosted more than 6,000 visitors from 500 industries, governmental, academic, and research units in order to fulfill the responsibility of education and promotion. In 2011, Everest founded the EverSmile apparel brand, defined as social business enterprise, with our core compatibility, non-toxic, eco-friendly, and low-carbon textiles. We built a small garment factory to offer local employments and provide customers with pure MIT products.
At that time, Taiwan's unemployment was very serious, so we started Eversmile apparel business, which combines commercial benefit and a social purpose to create jobs and make profit. We call it is social responsibility leading.
We sponsor 1% of revenue from our customers as funds for charities. We urge customers to vote with what they buy to make contributions to charity.
From the business way, we make the society better. This is goodwill society.
Since 2013, we started holding the Everest Seminar and New Product Exhibition in order to constantly transform and upgrade the Taiwan textile industry value chain. Everest's purpose is quite simple. We want to influence more powerful people to co-create an ecosystem where all stakeholders can flourish.
In the past 7 years, ESM is constant evolution. Finally, constructed our Stanley Egg philosophy, which combines economy, society, and environment. We want to get the triple bottom line. It means when we do one aspect, should not sacrifice another two. This is our ESM. Just do it. This is a goodwill environment to make a goodwill economy in the society. It is the right way. Be the change.